lovely viewers, welcome to day 4 and the final day of our coverage of this year's Tanyigbe Yam Festival. Now today is the turn of the Dzafe community, so we are here to bring you all the action from Dzafe Borborbor group. Stay tuned and enjoy this one. This is Gosa J TV. Wow, it's a Wednesday morning and these beautiful women, beautifully dressed on the streets of Tanyigbe. This is lovely. This morning we just had some massive Borborbor from the, that is Dzafe.Borborbor group. We have one of the revelers here. Hello, ma'am. This is Tanyigbe. Your name, please?
Iram.
Are you from Tanyigbe?
Yes.
Oh.
So far, it's been very, very interesting. Yes.
And so, what stands out in, this year's edition of the festival as compared to the others?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is this your first time of witnessing this?
Yes, basically.
Oh, why? A native of Tanyigbe? Are you out of the country?
No, I'm not out of the country, but I hardly come to the village. So this is very, 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 very interesting. Now, I'll be coming home every year.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Anywhere out to, the people of Tanyigbe?
To those of us that don't usually come home, we have to come home and help build our village. So please, let's all do well to come home.
All right. Thank you very much and wish you all the best. Good morning. What do you make of this year's Yam Festival?
Well, this year's Yam Festival is somehow packed.
Okay.
And it's quite exciting compared to the previous years.
Okay.
You know, we kicked off on Saturday early in the morning with a health walk. Then we organized the Huko Endowment Fund Scholarship Exams. Then after that, we did Rolipanda in collaboration with Huko Endowment Fund organized a cooking competition for all men, and which was also fun. And all through the days, today, which is Wednesday, is a day that Dzafe people, the indigenous of Dzafe, celebrates their Yam Festival. So what we did this morning is just Bomechacha by Dzafe. We were all over the place. We went to Atije, back to Etwe, then to Tanyigbe. We are going back home. Then in the afternoon, around 3 o'clock, we'll start our main drumming festival at Dzafe.
I see. Now, what makes this year's edition different from the others, the previous ones?
Yeah, this year you could see the participation is very huge.
That's right.
A lot of people were all over. The people who are not even from Tanyigbe were here just to celebrate with us. And because of some of the programs, you know, the volleyball by the Abafia of Tanyigbe, and also with some other programs, as I mentioned earlier on, like the Huko Endowment Fund Scholarship Exam, it makes it quite interesting. So, you know, there are a lot of people that are saying that if they knew, especially with the cooking competition, a lot of people didn't come out, but then the place was even choked. So we had a lot of people who were saying that next year they're actually going to be here to celebrate
now,
it.
Let's talk about the team, empowering the youth for Tanyigbe's transformation. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, how do you empower the youth of Tanyigbe?
You know, you quite understand that the future is actually the youth.
Okay.
You know, so empowering the youth is just trying to encourage them. Yeah. Those that can take the effort in education, you encourage them to go as far as they can. There are so many disciplines. Those that want to do sports, those that want to go into music. That's why you realize this particular year it was youth based. So you realize Rolipanda show, which was on Monday, you know, was all fun, filled and packed with the youth, and that's what it's about. The whole Yam Festival is about. Yeah.
Now, before you go, any words to citizens of Tanyigbe?
No, you know, my words actually is to the youth. Okay. You know, this is what we have. Tanyigbe is all we have, and they should try as much as possible. They should try as much as possible. To respect their leaders and their chiefs. To move Tanyigbe forward.
We are much grateful for your time. Wish you all the best. Your name?
Clinton. The main purpose of this whole celebration is to actually bring ourselves together to have fun and enjoy ourselves. We don't really do the jam something, you know. It's our tradition to play the bobo and all. So of course, you don't drive away from our crowd to just come and hang around. You have to participate, have fun and all. So that's how come you see us being all over the place, having fun, jamming around, dancing around here.
Now how would you rate this year's edition as compared to the previous ones?
If I would have to be honest, I think last year was better. But then, of course, you know, this year came up with so many challenges. The Sisiladapa issue and all. There's no money in the country. We have money sitting at so many places, of course. So people don't have money. So that's how come this place is not so much as accepted like how last year. But I mean, it's not bad in all. I mean, they had all the fun.
What are your expectations for the years ahead?
I'm more hopeful that years ahead will be better. Yeah, of course.
Now, I know certainly you have some, parties out there who have not been able to make it to this year's Yam Festival. Any words for them?
Yeah, so all these gentlemen you see here, this is their first time.
Okay.
All the way from Accra, yes. This is their first all the way from Accra. And so they've had so much fun. Perhaps they might want to tell you how they feel. Let them speak for themselves,
okay,
right?
So, Guy, your name?
Original Macpeo.
Okay, and you are?
Yo.
Eben, me, I'm from here.
Okay.
Adam Bailey.
Okay.
First time actually.
And so how will you describe your whole experience?
Well, it's been fun so far. We didn't even expect it.
That's right.
We thought it would be some just a cool thing or something,
Okay.
but actually it's mad.
So certainly you'll be here next year, right?
Yeah, surely.
Guys, thank you so much for speaking to us and wish you all the best. So we came, we saw, we conquered. This has been our coverage of this year's Tanyigbe Yam Festival. The experience here has been wonderful, lovely people of Tanyigbe. I think it's safe to say this is actually Borborbor Festival because from day one it's been Borborbor, and we've enjoyed every bit of it. I must say, use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to Madam Evelyn Anyidohu for holding us down. I mean, she hosted it last year, Gosa JTV, she hosted it last year, and this year she has done as the honors again by hosting us. Her hospitality is unmatched. So, Madam Evelyn Anyidohu, we thank you so much for hosting us, and we're hoping to be back again next year. This is Gosa JTV. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share, drop a comment in the comment section, and let's interact. I go by the name Dada James. Thank you for watching this episode.